Okay, so let's start with our topics. Okay, I think from tomorrow, people will join. Yes, tomorrow. This we will do the basic features of this. BGP, which stand for what? Border Gateway Protocol. Okay. Mm, anyone? The features of BGP? Classless protocol or classful? Classless protocol. Support CIDR notation. Classless inter-domain routing. Okay. Anything? Metric. What metric it has? Anyone? BGP metric is a path vector protocol or metric of a BGP. Yes, anyone? What is the metric of a BGP? I think everyone are aware with the BGP protocol. Yes, guys, please. Nothing. Mad. Multi-exit discrimination. Nobody's. Multi-exit discrimination. Mad. I'm audible to everyone. All right. Okay. AD value. Just at least AD value. There are two different AD values in a BGP. One is for IBGP and one is for EBGP. In BGP also we have two different segments. One is IBGP and the second one is EBGP. IBGP means what? Interior border or internal. Internal border gateway protocol and external border gateway protocol. Yes, for IBGP, what is the this AD value? Yes, at least anyone, nobody, or nobody interested to give answer. What is IBGP? IBGP, the AD value is 200. EBGP, the AD value is 20. No idea. Okay. Any other features of a BGP? Path vector protocol. Okay. BGP protocol number, like EIGRP is having 90, OSPF is having some, sorry, EIGRP is not 90. EIGRP protocol number, anyone? RIP, OSPF, which we have already learned, and now you can't say no idea. BGP protocol number or port number. BGP runs under TCP or UDP. TCP, BGP is one of a reliable protocol. Why? Because it comes under TCP. Okay, and you guys, everyone knows TCP is one of a reliable protocol. So BGP comes under TCP using a port number 179. BGP supports authentication. Which type of authentication? Both simple as well as MD5 authentication. Is it? BGP support authentication. Simple as well as MD5 authentication.
Is there any load balancing?
BGP does not support load balancing. BGP support load balancing, but only what?
Equal cost.
BGP support load balancing only equal cost load balancing, not unequal cost. Okay, but there also there are some different things are there. Why? Because BGP use the attributes. Okay, that I will show you how BGP will work. BGP is also using autonomous concept. Autonomous numbers are 0 to 65,535. Public AS and private AS. Public AS, public autonomous number 1 to 65,000, sorry, 64,64512, and the private AS are from 64,513 to 65,535. Public and private. Public, you already know, on internet side, whenever you want to reach on internet, okay, you have to use a public AS number which lays between 1 to 64,512. Okay, and for your private means what? Your IBGP. Configure your IBGP within an AS. Okay, there you have to use the AS number 64513 to 65,535. Okay, so there are two different autonomous number in BGP. Okay, in EIGRP also we use a concept of autonomous number, but there you want to find out the differences like public AS and private AS, because EIGRP is used for what? IGP purpose, interior. Okay, so there you all are for private AS. All the AS number is for private AS. Okay, but here it is used for interior purpose as well as for exterior purpose as well. BGP. Okay, so BGP for internal, okay, you have to use an AS number from 64513 to 65535. For public means what? Whenever you want to go outside, okay, for your exterior purpose. So there you will find out the AS number from 1 to 64512.
Sir,
Hmm.
BGP is used communication between the outside network. Why there is inside IBGP is there?
IBGP is also there if you want. Okay, like if you want to use an BGP protocol like EIGRP and OSPF. Okay, so that also you can do with that. Okay, BGP is not only
Means
designed,
using BGP, we can communicate internal organization also outside the organization.
yes. Okay, BGP is not only designed to communicate with the externals. Okay, they are designed to communicate with internals as well as externals also. Okay, but if you will see EIGRP and OSPF, they are only designed to communicate only for internal purpose.
Got it.
Okay, so BGP is designed for both the purpose. Like if you want to communicate within
Sir, your voice is not audible.
hello.
Yeah, now it is good.
Okay. If you want to configure BGP for internal purpose also, you can use it. Okay, that is the reason they have given you two different AS number. If you want to communicate within an AS, use what? The AS number from 64513 to something. Okay, if you want to go outside the domain, okay, outside your enterprise or to communicate with the ISPs, okay, so there you have to use the public AS number, and public AS number are from 1 to 64,000.
Sir, as we know, it is the only exterior gateway protocol. We don't have any option. But in internal gateway protocol, we have many options like static, EIGRP, OSPF.
Very
So
good.
what is
Yes.
the advantage of BGP over the OSPF, EIGRP over static?
What come again? Last point, come again.
Sir, what is the advantage of BGP over OSPF, EIGRP, static?
Okay. One example I have given you, and that example is I will give you more example. Okay, but till now I have given you one example, which is what? Uh, where it is? This one. This is one of a best example. BGP runs under what? TCP. And what is TCP? Transmission Control Protocol, which are very reliable as compared to any other protocol. Got my point? Okay, and
Yes.
BGP follows what? TCP. BGP follows what? TCP. That means what? BGP is one of a reliable protocol as compared to any other protocols like EIGRP or OSPF. EIGRP hold a own protocol number XYZ. OSPF holds an own protocol number XYZ. But BGP does not have any protocol number. It works with a port number. Port number. Okay, it is a service. It is not a protocol. If you will see. Okay, it is a service of a TCP. It is a service of TCP. That means what? It comes under a TCP or it follows the rules and regulation of a TCP that makes a reliable protocol. So this is one of a feature, okay, which make a difference with other protocols like RAP, IGRP, and OSPF. Like this, I will show you more features which make it a difference.
Okay.
Okay. Yes. Any other basic features of BGP? The basic features of BGP.
Sir, any hop count limitation?
No hop count limitation. Calculate all the possible path to reach a destination. Calculate all the possible path. All the possible path. Okay. It will calculate all the possible path. Okay, to reach a specific destination, but one will be a best path. Tables. BGP makes a table, BGP table. Here you will see a BGP table by using a command show IP BGP. It make a separate table of its protocol, which is known as a BGP table that you can see with the help of show IP BGP command. Okay, there you will see all the possible destination and network along with the best path. There you will see a multiple best path to reach on a specific destination, but one will be your best path. All possible path, but one will act as a best path.
Is there any multicast address?
Multicast address? Yes. There are multicast address in BGP. What are the multicast address in BGP? BGP multicast address. Anyone? What is for EIGRP?
0.9.
224.0.0.9. And for OSPF?
5.6.
And for BGP? Who? Okay. For BGP multicast address, okay, I know. Okay, but what I want, okay, you guys find out the answer of a BGP multicast address. Okay, I will come to know how much you guys are interested. Tomorrow I will ask you what is the multicast address for BGP. Okay, because there is some twist in BGP multicast address. I want to see how you guys will search for it. BGP multicast address. No? Yes, any other point for BGP? Does you guys know how to configure the BGP, the basic BGP? What are the commands which we use to configure the BGP? Basic one. Basic one means what? The IBGP. Yes, anyone? How a neighborship is done in BGP? In BGP, the neighborship is manual or auto? In BGP, the neighborship is manual or auto? Okay, in OSPF and in EIGRP, is it manual or auto?
Sir, it is auto, it is dynamic protocol.
Dynamic protocol. So BGP is also a dynamic protocol. BGP is also a dynamic protocol. But those two are different. In BGP, okay, keep it aside. In OSPF and in EIGRP, okay, we never give a command of a neighborship. Okay, they will automatically form a neighborship. Okay, they are having some condition to form a neighborship. If the condition match, okay, they will form a neighborship automatically. But if in BGP, if you will see in BGP, the neighborship is manual. The neighborship is manual. From one router, you have to call the other router to form a neighborship. From one router, you have to call the other router to form a neighborship, and from router 2, you have to call the router 1 to build a neighborship. Okay, there is no auto concept in BGP. In BGP, they will never form a neighborship automatically. You have to call from one router to other and from other to one. Okay, so in BGP, the neighborship is manual. Okay. Also, you have to call the autonomous of your neighbor router. That will make a difference between IBGP and EBGP. Loop free protocol, slow protocol. Why slow protocol? Hello time is hello time. Okay. One router will exchange a hello packet with its neighbor router after 60 seconds and hold on time. If any router fails, it will hold its information for 180 seconds. It's a very slow protocol. It's a loop-free protocol because it comes under TCP. It's a very slow protocol because the hello timers are of 60 seconds and the hold on timer are of 180 seconds. Any doubt in such points? BGP, border gateway, classical protocol, support CIDR, metric, AD value.
CIDR, can you explain CIDR?
Yes, can anyone explain the CIDR? What CIDR means? Let me write it the full form of CIDR. Classless inter-domain routing. Classless inter-domain routing. Have you ever seen /24 or a /25 or a /26 or something like? Have you ever seen like this, the subnet mask?
Yes.
What exactly it is known as?
It is a slash notation representation of subnet mask.
Of subnet mask. Okay, if you will see the subnet marks look like a 255.255.255.0. Is it? Okay, this is the writing a pattern of your subnet mask. Am I right?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes,
Subnet
sir.
mask we never write in the form of like a /26, /27 and /28. This /26, 24, 25, 22, whatever. Okay, they are what? Your CIDR notations, CIDR values. Classless inter-domain routing, which is known as what? Classless inter-domain routing. And subnet mask is what? 255.255.224.0 or whatever it is. Okay, if you write in a complete format, like 255.255.255, okay, it is known as what is subnet mask. And if in short, if you write like a /24, /25 or /26, they are known as what is CIDR, classless inter-domain routing. Classless inter-domain routing. That's a basic difference between the CIDR and the subnet mask. Okay, these are your CIDR values. Okay, and these are your subnet mask values. They both are similar. Okay, but the writing formats are different. In short, the value which we write is known as CIDR value. Okay, and in complete format, the value which we write is known as what? Subnet mask. Okay, so it supports what? CIDR. CIDR means what? It supports every values of CIDR, like a /24, /25, /26. Okay, so whoever is a classless protocol, they all support what? CIDR. Okay, and the routing protocol which is classful, they will never support your CIDR values. Okay, like a /25, 26, 27. They will always exchange what? The default subnet mask, like a /24, /16, /8. That's it. Got it?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? IBGP, EBGP, path vector.
Made about
Hello.
sir made.
MAD, multi-exit discrimination. Okay, that is the sixth calculation format of your BGP. That I will show you. Don't worry about that. MAD I didn't define it now. Still we didn't define the MAD. Keep it aside. Okay, I just given you a value. The metric value of BGP is MAD, multi-exit discrimination. Before MAD, okay, see here. What exactly the metric is? Metric is the calculation to calculate the best path. Is it? Okay, but in BGP,
Yes,
if you
sir.
will see, MAD will come on sixth position. MAD will come on sixth position to calculate the best path. Before MAD, you have so many values. So many means what? 5 different values you have to calculate the best path. Okay, and they are what? Weight, local preference, origin, AS path. Then it will come on like MAD and something. Just simple authentication, MD5 authentication, autonomous number concept it use. Okay, in autonomous also they have 2 different types of autonomous. Internally, if you are doing any BGP, so they are using the private AS number. Okay, if you are going outside the domain, they will use the public AS number. It supports unlimited number of hop counts. Okay, that makes a difference with your IGP protocols. Okay, IGP protocol have some set of limitations where BGP does not have. Calculate all the possible best path, and kept in its BGP table. So in future, if one of your best path went down, okay, it will automatically go on second path, okay, without wasting a time. That you will see in the table of BGP, and the BGP make a separate table for itself, which is known as a BGP table that you can see with a command of a show IP BGP. BGP use a multicast address of a 224.0.0. That is, you have to find. Neighborship, only manual neighborship, no auto neighborship in BGP. Loop free protocol because it comes under what? TCP. Slow protocol. Why? Because it have a 60 seconds of a hello time and hold on time of 180 seconds. It will wait for 180 seconds before making any neighbor as a down. Any doubt in such features? Nothing? Okay. Now we'll see a basic configuration of a BGP. Basic configuration of a BGP. How
Sir,
to?
it is periodic automatic or incremental update.
What is update? Update in BGP. Sorry? Yes, update. Incremental update. Okay. Incremental. Once a increment will come, it will automatically update to its neighbor router. Not in a like a periodic update after every 30 seconds or after every 50 seconds, like RIP. Okay, it works like an EHRP and OSPF. Incremental update. Okay, which is also known as a triggered update. Immediately it will inform to its neighbor router about the changes. Yes. Any other point you guys are thinking?
Can you please explain about the algorithm? Which algorithm it use BGP?
Path vector algorithm. It's a path vector protocol. Path vector. Where is it?
Okay, sir.
Path vector I told you, like it will calculate all the possible path to reach a destination. That is the algorithm it uses. Better to do the configuration on router itself only. Okay, if I will show you on here, it won't become. Okay, so tomorrow we will do the configuration, the basic configuration of a BGP. Okay, so tomorrow be on time, and from starting we will start the BGP configuration, the basic BGP configuration. Then we will go on advanced BGP. Okay, so BGP basic configuration is very important to understand the BGP advanced configuration. Okay, guys.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, everyone.
Welcome, sir. Thank you.